The first flag of the United States was adopted in 1777 out of the colors red, white, and blue. The new country had just declared its independence from Britain and was made of 13 new states that used to be British colonies. So they decided to put 13 red and white stripes on the flag, and in this blue area of the flag called the canton, they placed one white star for each of the 13 states in the Union: Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, North Carolina, and Rhode Island. So this was the first United States flag, with 13 stripes and 13 stars. Eventually, 2 more states were added to the US, so they added 2 more stripes, and of course 2 more stars for Vermont and Kentucky. 15 stripes and 15 stars. But then, soon enough, there were 5 new states, and people started to realize that if they kept adding more stripes, those stripes were going to get ridiculously skinny. So in 1818, the United States passed a new Flag Act law, which would keep the number of stripes at 13 in honor of those first 13 states. But they would add new stars to the flag for the new states to come in the future. It looks better that way. So these 5 new states were Tennessee, Ohio, Louisiana, Indiana, and Mississippi. 20 stars. The next state to enter the Union was Illinois on December 3, 1818. Now that new Flag Act declared that once a new state or states enter the Union, the flag wouldn't officially get its new stars until the next Independence Day, July 4th, which is still the rule today. So because Illinois became a state on December 3, 1818, the new star was officially added to the flag on July 4, 1819. So Illinois, 21 stars. Now, by the next July 4th, 2 new states had joined the Union, Alabama and Maine, which actually split off from Massachusetts, so let's just put that one back. So yeah, Alabama and Maine joined in the same 1-year period. So because of the Flag Act's July 4 rule, the flag jumped from 21 stars straight to 23 stars in 1820. And now it gets a little boring for a bit. Missouri, 24 stars. Arkansas, 25 stars. Michigan, 26 stars. Florida, 27 stars. Texas, 28 stars. Iowa, 29 stars. Just keep stealing that land. Wisconsin, 30 stars. California, 31 stars. Kill some more people. Minnesota, 32 stars. Oregon, 33 stars. Kansas, 34 stars. And now we're in the Civil War. Of course, the United States kept all the stars, even for those states that were trying to leave the Union. But during the war, a bunch of the western counties of Virginia wanted to stay part of the USA. So in 1863, Congress let them split from Virginia and become the brand new state of West Virginia. And now the flag had 35 stars. Later on, Nevada became a state, 36 stars. Nebraska, 37 stars. Colorado, 38 stars. Then in 1889 and 1890, between 2 July 4s, there were 5 new states: North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Washington, and Idaho. So from 38 stars, the flag jumped straight to 43 stars. Then with Wyoming, we got 44 stars. Utah, 45 stars. Oklahoma, 46 stars. Then in 1912, there were 2 new states, New Mexico and Arizona, 48 stars. This was also the first time that a specific star pattern was made official by the US government. Before this, people were just making up lots of different star arrangements this whole time. Anyway, the number of stars stayed at 48 for quite a while until 1959, when Alaska became a state, giving the flag 49 stars. And later that summer, Hawaii became the 50th state, giving us that 50-star flag that we still have today. And that is the evolution of the United States flag so far. Maybe there will be 51 stars on this thing someday. Who knows?